push in. So it's in, you can just slide it on. Hi guys, cheers. You know, that's a new crankshaft, a matzo jelly. That should I make some light here? I guess so, a bit better. You know that the big clutch bearing is not allowed to slide on to the stump, onto the seat. You see, it has to. You have to pull the crank in. So if you wanna measure cylinder timings and so on, it's a pity to pull it in, then push it out, pull it in, push it out. So there are special tools offered. Let me show you that. 1 second. For instance, this is the Malossi casing, the new one. You have a plastic one, yeah, where you can, oh, let the crank disappear. There you can push in. The crankshaft, and then it's how it sits when it's assembled. But you know, the problem is they don't turn so easy, you see. Oh, come on, whatever. This is the tool. And that's the bearing. Why not just taking an old bearing and working it out here and working it out here. Take away material. With a flap wheel, for instance, or with a sandpaper roll, so that the clutch can slide in and that you can push in the bearing into the casing without heating the casing up. So making it smaller in the diameter and bigger in the inner diameter. Take an old bearing, take a small sandpaper roll, and just work it out. This will take some time. Crankshaft stump again. This results in you can just slide it on. Compared to the other tool. Yeah, how should that turn? So you just slide it on here. For the outer diameter, you can use a grinding stone. It'll try turning as fast as the stone, so just slow it down a bit. Soften the surface with a sandpaper roll, because that grinding stone is a bit rough. There we go. Your very own cheap special tool that is even better because it turns, and as you will see, when you put in the crankshaft now, it slides in, of course, and it will turn very easily. So you can measure the rotary valve for the intake timing and or the cylinder timings. Thanks for watching. That was it. See you next time, and if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers!
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?
Piston below top PVT.